Well, good Saturday morning, everybody. Got up and, oh, way too close. Oh, there's a finger again. Got the mower hooked up on scooter. Got it all serviced and put together and checked the blades and everything. And went across the road, started mowing, and lo and behold, look what I found. There, right there's where it hit. Sledgehammer head. So, in the process, it actually broke one of the blades off. I thought it was bent. She was shaking and vibrating and everything. And I thought it was bent. So I opened her up, got underneath of her and looked. And I got one that's broke off. I don't know if you can see it through this hole. Yeah, that's supposed to be about 8 inches longer than that. So I got everything lubed up and impact out here. Let's see if we can get this thing buzzed off. Yep, that's the right way. Well, that was pretty easy. And the bolt comes out, then this keeper comes out, and we gotta go get a hammer. So let's go get a hammer. So, I hope everybody's Saturday's going well. Better than mine. That's an expensive, awfully expensive oops. So, we'll get her apart, get another set ordered. Got to replace 2 of them at a time, so we'll replace both the middle ones. One of the wings, when I replaced a set of the wing ones earlier. Oh, all right. Let's go back in and see if we can move this wedge out of the way. It's hard to do.
Papa, do.
Hard to do and watching everything else.
Papa, Papa, Papa,
I have a helper today. Bentley, say hi.
Hi.
This is grandson Bentley. Terrible threes.
No.
Yes. And terrible is right. Let's just say he's energetic. And leave it at that. Alright, well, we got that off. Now, what's the chances of that pin coming out of there?
Papa.
Yes. Leave that alone. Don't lose it. Oh, we got some shims in here.
Yeah.
Well, looks like I might have to get into there and pound that back up. Get them shims out of there. All right, I'm gonna have to crawl under this second hammer on it. Be back in a bit. Well, it did drop down. Oh, wait. Turn the camera around. There we go. It did drop down some. That's a good thing. I just gotta tap her back up there. Well, she's not wanting to. Nice view of the concrete. All right. Let's see if we can wiggle them shims out of there. Might have to get a screwdriver.
Yeah.
Pry up on him while I'm twisting him. Alright, be back. Alright, well, we got it. A little wiggling, a little jiggling. Clean that pin up. But yeah, there's a little bit missing. I don't know if it was cracked before. Here's granddaughter Nova. Say hi, Nova.
Hi.
Yes, so I don't know, like I said, I don't know if it was cracked before or whether it all happened when it hit. Anyway, we'll spin it around and get the other one taken out and see about getting another set ordered. Alright, well, I'm glad I did that one first because it was the tough one, because the second one pretty much fell out once I got it unbolted. I had to tap it a little bit with a hammer to get it, but I always like it when the hard one goes first. That way the second one you appreciate it more. If you do the easy one first and the second one doesn't come out, then it gets frustrating, even more frustrating. Oh. All right. Yeah, there's a little bit of a difference there. These things sure take a beating though. Of course, if I just mowed grass with it, it'd be one thing, but like I said, when you find sledgehammer heads in the neighbor's field that you're mowing, makes a mess out of things. All right, check back later. Hope everybody's having a great day. All right, well, 5 o'clock in the afternoon, Saturday. Plans got changed. Did manage to get the blades out of the mower and stuff. And then Dad showed up, so we got the baskets on the back of the vertical till that I worked on the wagon the other day. So we got them all put on. And Dad's a little camera shy, so we didn't film any of that. I see I got one plug I didn't get put in. Gotta get the light plug put in there. See if I can do this with one hand. There's a lot of things you got to do with one hand when you're trying to film. There we go. All right, good deal. So park this out here for now. Still gotta grease the front end of it, check the wheel bearings and stuff. Bertha's pretty good shape. She's ready to go. So just unhooked the gooseneck trailer off the truck. Gotta go get a pallet full of seed. Well, not a pallet full, but 20 bags of beans and 6 bags of corn from a guy. Gonna try some new stuff. So it'll be interesting to see how that goes. I see I gotta close the barn doors up. So we'll get these closed. There we go. One down, one to go. And that'll be a nice day. The old wind's blowing in off the lake though. Northeast wind. Makes everything cold. I don't care what time of the year it is. You get a northeast wind and they put that out there. Oh, finger in the camera again. Maybe I'll turn the thing the other way. And it would mess me up with the front-facing camera. All right, well, we're gonna go get some seed and see what's going on. A little too wet to do anything around here yet. There's a few people running, but they're all on the high sand. All the black dirt around here's got it's got a pretty good crust on it from all the rain we had this winter, and it never freezes and thawed out and stuff. So it's going to take a little bit to get her dried up. And they're calling for rain tonight, tomorrow, and then a day of sunshine, and then 2 more days of rain. But that changes hourly, you know that. So I guess we'll wait and see. I'm half tempted to put that vertical till in the ground, just light, straight, and fast, and crack it open and to help it dry out. But I'm not going to do it yet. Not going to do it yet. All right. Well, we'll talk at you later. Thanks for stopping by.